Hey, good evening, everybody. So it is finally time that I am planting my tomatoes. Getting these tomatoes started now. Right now, I am planting big pink tomatoes. We'll see how they turn out. I've just got my beefsteak tomatoes started, and then next I have some cherry tomatoes and some of the Roma tomatoes. I'm gonna go and get my tomatoes in here. I'm using some recycled, probably had blueberries in these. These work great for starters for my tomatoes. And I'm just using my soil mixture is 1/3 coir, 1/3 just potting soil, and just a little bit of the vermiculite. Mixing that up, putting it here, lightly putting it on top of the seeds and hitting it with some water. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my stuff sprayed in, get my seeds in, doing my tomatoes and peppers right now. Hey, keep growing, and I'll talk to you later.